Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV with full setup guide. So step 1, open the YouTube TV app or website. Step 2, go to settings and scroll to membership. Step 3, look for NFL Sunday Ticket under the add-ons. Step 4, click subscribe and follow the payment process. Step 5, once subscribed, navigate to the Live or Library tab to see the NFL games. Step 6. You can also set up favorite teams for quick access and auto recording. Step 7. Watch on TV, mobile, or browser with unlimited DVR options. And now you're ready for every Sunday with NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison video. Thank you for watching.